Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Pantheon.io website tutorial. In it, I'll be showing you how to create a website for free using Pantheon.io. So the first thing you'll need to do is go on to Pantheon.io, and from there you're going to tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started in the top right hand corner, you'll be prompted to sign up, and you can sign up using your Google account or an email address. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can enter in your first name. Then after doing that, you can select I agree to Pantheon Terms of Service and select Continue. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your Pantheon workspace or dashboard. Once on the dashboard, all you need to do now, you can see that you have access to two sites. You can create two sites right there. And Pantheon also offers numerous features. So for example, they offer automation and team communication and so on. But this example or this tutorial, better yet, is all about their website creation. So we're going to simply tap on Create New Site. Then after you have done that, you can see that they offer 4 different options. You can either choose to use their front end site, the Drupal, or WordPress, or you can select Custom Upstream. I would recommend that you select WordPress as it is the most popular website builder. So we are going to be selecting WordPress. Then from here you can enter in your name, so you can name your site right there. So I'm just going to be calling it Jason Tutorials. So let me do that real quick. After you have entered your site name, you can choose a region. Then you'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll be redirected to a new page. So just give it a few seconds to load up, and then you'll be redirected to that page. Once here, you're going to tap on Visit Your Pantheon Site Dashboard, and you're going to be redirected to your dashboard, as you can see right here. And I'll simply tap on the X to close the pop-up. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, as you can see, we are currently on our site dashboard. What you're going to do for me is, from here you can tap on Site Admin. After you have tapped on Site Admin, you can select the language, for example English, then tap on Continue, and you're going to put in your site title. So I'll just call it Test. Then after doing that, you can add in a username, and you can also create a password. Then you'll enter your email address right there, and you can choose to make it search engine visible, or you can discourage search engine from searching or browsing your website. This page, you will be prompted to enter a site title, so you can create a site title, enter your username, then you can enter a password and your email address. Then we'll tap on Install WordPress. After you have selected Install WordPress, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do now is tap on Login. And you're going to put in the username and password. Once you are logged in, you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard, and from here you can start creating your website. So for instance, we could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on Post, and from here you could upload your first article. So you could tap on New Post and you can start posting. You can also edit how your website appears by tapping on Appearance from the left hand menu option. The next thing you can do, you can customize how your website appears by tapping on Appearance from the left hand menu option. After doing that, you're going to tap on Add New Theme, and from here you can browse all the different themes that are available on WordPress. So you can see them right there, and you can also view the ones that are currently installed on your site. As you can see installed, and you could select the one that you would like to use. So you have quite a few options, and you can select whichever one of these themes you would like to use. Once you have selected a theme to your liking, all you need to do now, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you can select Settings. After selecting Settings, you can also add a favicon. So you could tap on Choose a Site Icon, and you could add a favicon right there. And that's basically it. So for example's sake, if we were to tap on View Site in the top left hand corner, you can see how our website looks at the moment. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button